This is how to be the most expensive in your market, pero the clients still choose you. I discovered this marketing secret when I studied why Apple charges $150,000 for their headset while others only charge $25,000. Sa market ngayon, makakabili ka ng VR headset for $25,000. Pero ang Apple Vision Pro, ang presyo niya, $150,000. How is this possible? It's because Apple did not call it a virtual reality headset. Tinawag nila itong spatial computing headset. In short, it is still a VR headset pero binigyan nila ng ibang pangalan. By doing that, gumawa sila ng sarili nilang category para hindi mo sila ma-compare sa iba. And that is when I realized being better keeps your current customers. But being different is the one that attracts new customers. Karamihan kasi ng mga business owners, ang ginagamit ng marketing ay masarap kami, no? Mas mabilis kami, better yung service namin. Pero anyone can claim that. If you want customers to go to you instead of your competitors, stop trying to be better. Focus on your unique selling proposition. Find that one thing or feature or benefit na meron ka na wala sa iba. Tandaan mo, the fastest way to stand out from your competitors is to look different. This is Fibo Lim. If you want more content on business, marketing, and sales, follow me for more.